Most people misunderstand software pricing, and that mistake costs them money. Here's the truth no one tells you. The price you see is rarely the full cost when it comes to field service tools, especially platforms like Workiz. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Workiz pricing works in 2026, what you actually pay, what hidden costs to expect, and whether it is worth it for your business. Let's get straight into it. First, what is Workiz? It is a field service management platform used by service businesses like HVAC, plumbing, cleaning, and repair companies. You can explore it under Workiz. Now here's the key idea. Workiz pricing is not one fixed number. It is tier-based, which means the cost changes depending on your team size, features, and how many jobs you manage. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people only look at the starting price. That's where mistakes happen. Typically, entry-level plans are designed for small teams. These cover basics like scheduling, job tracking, and invoicing. But as your business grows, you need automation, advanced dispatching, and integrations, and that pushes you into higher pricing tiers. Alex runs a small cleaning service and started on a basic plan. It worked fine at first, but once he hired more staff, he had to upgrade to handle scheduling properly. Now here's the problem. Many users don't plan for scaling costs. They think the base price will stay the same forever, but it increases as features and users increase. Let's break down what actually affects cost. The first factor is number of users. More technicians or office staff means higher pricing. The second factor is feature access. Tools like automation, advanced reporting, and CRM features are usually in higher tiers. The third factor is job volume and workflow complexity. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Workiz also offers add-ons. These can include payment processing, phone systems, and marketing tools. Each add-on may add extra monthly cost depending on your setup. Jake learned this the hard way when his final bill was higher than expected because of extra communication tools he enabled. So what is the real cost? For small teams, it is usually on the lower monthly range. For growing or mid-sized field service businesses, it can increase significantly as you add users and features. Larger companies may end up paying enterprise-level pricing, depending on customization. But here's another important detail. You are not just paying for software. You are paying for automation, time savings, and reduced missed jobs. That's where the value comes in. If Workiz helps you schedule faster, get paid quicker, and reduce missed appointments, it can easily justify the cost. Now here's the key question most people ask. Is it worth it? If you are a solo operator with very few jobs, it might feel expensive. But if you are managing multiple technicians or planning to scale, it becomes a strong operational tool instead of just an expense. So let's quickly summarize. Workiz pricing depends on team size, features, and add-ons. The base plan is only part of the cost. Scaling and automation features increase pricing, but they also increase efficiency. And once you understand the structure, you avoid surprises and choose the right plan for your business. If this breakdown helped you, like the video, leave a comment with your business size, and subscribe for more clear and honest software pricing guides.